All right, ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, you know, go feed shy. That year, this video rock everywhere. This particular jam wounds the whole industry. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, I want to bring into the building my guy, my G, Easy Beat. How far?
We did.
Are we ready?
We did.
Are we ready?
We did.
We good?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, help me make welcome my guy, my G, the Shayo guy that year, and of course, bringing out new things now, Bigiano! Hey! Hey!
My nigga. We got to Shayo, baby. So me and my friends sit down, we relate. So me pick up people can't jubilate. Your customers, I did try to celebrate. You cause my girl, but they close my head. And if they come so, we can cooperate. You girls, and you can start to relate. You. And if it starts to go late, body and this already done, circulate. And if you feeling dirty, sit down in the place and start to dedicate you. Nobody fighting in this place. Because if you do, you go end up on this case. I wanna go shout and start to decay. Body good, blow like fire. You good, blow like fire. Anything you want, I want a two, a three. Oh me,
Correct guy. Sit down first.
Make I sit down.
Sit down first.
You sure?
Sit down first.
You sure say?
Before I go say make you comot something for body. Because now, ladies and gentlemen, we not say I wear cap, but you go come out your cap. People, when they see your face, your new face, your fresh face.
This cap add to my swag, but I will come out and because.
Big bang. Exposing. Of course. Bigiano.
How fun, guy.
Shayo, that year. Well, first of all, make us first say welcome to the late night show. We talk about on an Easy Beat. So they welcome you on top of the show like this.
Nice.
You know how they do this one? Because most of us not try that year. You understand? And I'd always like to give honor to whom honor they due to. You understand? Very, very important. Because I want to way most people know the tool they do for this side. You understand? Some men them carve the way.
All right.
You know, I want to look at. And back then, this video. People never do all this kind of quality video that year. Not the joke.
You won't.
The people that year.
With your braids,
your braids and everything. What did make you cut your hair in the first place?
Well, in the first place, I look and say, the hair everywhere they go, people they quickly begin one, you know. They always one kind. Is that the one touch your head? Is that the one calling about touch anointing, tap calling?
So the head always call them come. BG. Samson.
I think I first freshen up first. We know how far now.
Okay, but not be saying onto rebranding things or say new packaging.
Yeah, it's part of the rebranding and repackaging because be like say they never see Bigiano for a while. Be like say I look and say okay. Now when we say everything don't structure, everything don't do well. Which kind of excuse they won't get? Say, okay, you won't give this guy 20 billion naira now. You see here, it'll be our caution now.
Okay.
And I say, okay, first of all, my first keep the air for house.
Okay.
When I don't have my feet, put them back.
Okay. Now, we can't talk of this side now. Where Bigiano day since? After you don't make our mind switch all of us with the Shayo, our head, pop! He worry us like this. I see all of us. Next we just see Bigiano. Where's Bigiano day? Yeah, so you tell your fans the far side now, we don't love you, they come, they wait for you to come. Wait till Apple say.
First of all, I won't tell my fans where they outside say, first of all, make una no vex. If una don't vex before, me no vex again. You guys to forgive me. I want to say, you know, say that they talk, say, if you don't get reason, things for no happen. So me, I just look and say, as that Shayo happen, where the thing happen, I look and say, the way the matter they go. Many things they say people know for outside, who they don't know for inside. I mean, know where they should they pay me. Okay. So I tell myself, say, okay, wait, my fans deserve more than this one. Make I tidy up well, come back. Okay. And then wait happen.
Okay. So on I say restructuring and some
rebranding, restructuring, packaging yourself to be able to, you know, give out now then go tire.
Consistent music for people then for because not be a joke. Sometimes some people go to say to do this music thing now this.
You go no.
And yes, and that time structure not too day. Like the way things take be now.
Things don't structure now.
So you now industry based on structure level, how that time and now, how you go take 30 the 2 TB?
Well, basically, onto structure and the difference between then and now. You say industry don't grow. You know, say when person first born pikin, your pikin go come grow, come begin get boyfriend and girlfriend.
True, you go reach on that side though.
Yeah, come begin the knack, come begin they get grandchild. So now industry don't born pikin, don't begin get small children we don't grow. Say then say go they don't build.
Exactly.
So now business-wise, corporate bodies and all those things don't begin. They said they don't grow wings now. I say, okay, I'm going to begin to endorse and all that. So the industry is now wide and big and open for a lot of people that has potential. Now, if you want to say Bigiano, how would you meet up? How would you? You understand? How I would take, you know.
Because you know, say, based on say, person all day away for some time. Because the just they fall in some time. You know, they remind you, say, I got pigeon.
Okay, let me say, waiting they be say now, me, I gather material come. Okay. Material be say I know say no be waiting and tell me say now like this you supposed to do.
Okay.
The material be say if they hear themselves, see the video say I go follow and chop am now. I go love rice.
But Bigiano, at the same time, say you dey inside the country since I be you come out for country.
I don't dey everywhere.
Oh,
I dey very flexible.
You dey tour around the world.
I fit carry my passport today. Na ticket I don't need. Just go anywhere. Just go. I fit just day 2 weeks, 2 weeks or 1 month. Just day, write song, go studio.
Because some people don't say you lost go another country. Say just relocate.
Just relocate. Migrate. I don't day. Sometimes I dey Naija. I go just wear some kind thing, just big, disguise. Just dey because I don't want to make some kind people see me. I just dey follow them talk. Okay. Follow people talk. I always travel with my team.
Okay.
Just dey 1 or 2 industry night. I don't come Naija. 1 or 2 shows they do for Naija. I dey Naija, but nobody, no media knows say I dey. You understand? I just dey like one kind.
Just lock up, just form silence. I
never ready.
They observe things.
Because if that kind of time they come begin talk, say, Bigiano was found in the fuck off.
Okay.
So I just stay, they study the game, they watch everything.
Look at everything they unfold.
Myself, they go back to, know where I go back, if not London, if not America, if not South Africa, if not, so now so it be so, but I'm glad that I'm back.
Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, more if you done like this, maybe for not to carry, we're going on of Bigiano new songs and video. We will take enter. We also cut this break for now. So more see one of Bigiano's newest material for our enjoyment. We will come back now and see the late night show and Bigiano sit there in the building. All right, easy beat.